In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share chats in seconds with Grok AI. Let's get started with some simple steps that will ensure you can share your conversations seamlessly. First off, open your internet browser and navigate to Google. This is a handy method to start from, as Google is a common starting point for most online activities. Once there, simply type in Grok into the search bar and hit enter. Now that you've executed the search, you'll see a list of results related to Grok. Click on the link for the Grok website. You might notice there are several links. Just make sure you choose the one that takes you directly to the Grok official website. If you're not familiar with Grok AI, don't worry. It's a sophisticated tool that helps improve your productivity by managing conversations and providing AI suggestions. Once you're on the Grok homepage, the next step is to log into your account if you haven't already. After logging in, browse through your conversations and find the one that you wish to share. Grok is designed to make navigating through your chats as intuitive as possible, so this should be a straightforward process. Once you identify the conversation, take a moment to review it, ensuring it's the correct one you wish to share. With your relevant conversation open, look towards the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You'll notice a share button. Clicking this will trigger a few options for sharing your selected conversation. Grok makes it easy to distribute your information in a way that's practical for you, whether that's through email, social media, or other platforms your team is on. Today, let's say you decide to share it via Gmail. Simply select the Gmail option and follow the prompted steps to share your conversation. After you've completed those steps, the person on the receiving end will be able to see the conversation you've shared. This is what makes Grok AI an exceptional tool. It greatly simplifies the communication process, saving you precious time and effort. Sharing complex conversations shouldn't be a hassle, and Grok AI ensures that's the case. To recap, start by visiting Google, searching for Grok, and accessing their website. Next, navigate to the desired conversation and click Share. Within seconds, you can distribute your information with ease, allowing others to view and interact with it. With Grok AI, you're not just sharing chats, you're streamlining collaboration, making it as smooth and efficient as possible. This simple sharing methodology demonstrates why Grok AI is such a valuable tool for anyone needing effective communication platforms. Thank you for watching this guide on sharing chats with Grok AI. I'm confident you'll find this tool as useful as many others do. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials, and happy sharing!